Orlando Pirates are presented with an opportunity to go back to position number 1 as they visit Amazulu Football Club in the Betway Premiership match on Tuesday, the 3rd of February. Okay, so this is a preview. We are previewing that match. The match takes place on Tuesday, February 3rd, 2026. Venue it is Moses Mabhida Stadium in Durban, and kickoff time it is 7:30. This is a high-stakes top 4 clash following the conclusion of AFCON 2025. The domestic title race has definitely exploded. Orlando Pirates are currently joint top of the table, right, with Mamelodi Sundowns. Although Orlando Pirates have played one match less than Mamelodi Sundowns. While Amazulu revitalized under coach Arthur Zwane, right, are sitting at position number 3, rather it's position number 4, on the same points with number 3, which is Kaizer Chiefs, but just the goal difference. So Amazulu, who are looking to prove they belong among the elites. So the league standing and form coming to this match. Currently, Orlando Pirates are at position 2, although there is the same number of points with Mamelodi Sundowns. Having played 14 matches, they've collected 32 points. Amazulu at position 4, although there is the same amount of points with number 3, which is Kaizer Chiefs, but Kaizer Chiefs, of course, have got a superior goal difference compared to Amazulu. They've played 15 matches and they've collected 30 points. So Orlando Pirates enter this match with a massive momentum after beating Magesi Football Club 2-0 last Saturday. A result that pulled them level with Mamelodi Sundowns. Amazulu are the form team of the second half of the season, having won 4 of their last 5 matches. Remarkable indeed. So when you look at the team news and January 2026 transfers, both teams have been active in the recently closed transfer window to bolster their squads for the final push. Orlando Pirates signings. The Buccaneers have successfully integrated New Zealander Andre de Jong from Stellenbosch and the Zimbabwean sensational Daniel Msendami from Marumo Gallants, but they've also signed another player from Marumo Gallants, the talented left centre back Mpho Chabatsane from Marumo Gallants. Then the departures from Orlando Pirates, it's in a shock move. Monapule Saleng departed for Mamelodi Sundowns after a brief loan run at Orbit College. Of course, there's also the defensive mainstay Olisanda was also released by mutual consent on a deadline and is heavily linked with a move to either Europe or even Sundowns. Then there's also Mbekezeli Mbokazi, who has went on to join Chicago Fire in the MLS in the USA. When it comes to Amazulu, the signings also to have added Brazilian anchorman Gustavo Lopez and the promising Liolo Slaja from Cape Town City. They also welcomed Zimbabwean midfielder Mason Mushore. So the key players to watch for Orlando Pirates, it is Relebile Mofokeng, who plays as a playmaker. Okay, and then there's also Oswinopolis, who is a winger. For Amazulu players to watch, Thandolo Nkosi Ngwenya was very deadly, has proven to be very deadly, the Zimbabwean international. And of course, Rian Hanamo, very consistent defender and captain. So the tactical outlook, Coach Absalom Wadu has turned Orlando Pirates into a machine, right? Where the likes of Tshepa Moremi and Oswinopolis have proven to be vital cogs of that machine. Now there's an addition of a Musendami, right? So we must expect them to press Amazulu high up the pitch to force turnovers into humid Durban conditions. While Amazulu side, the Zwane blueprint, Atazwan has implemented a disciplined, right, position-based of 3-5-2 or 5-3-2, depending on when they are attacking or they're defending, right? That emphasized wide play. Amazulu looked to exploit the wings through Pule Xtn, hoping to put the Pirates' defense under pressure. The head-to-head history overall record, Orlando Pirates lead with 18 wins. Amazulu have 3 wins and 17 matches have ended in draws. The recent trend, their last meeting in May 2012 ended in a 1-all draw. Pirates have won 3 of their last 5 encounters, but Amazulu are notoriously difficult to beat at Moses Mabhida Stadium, where they have lost only once all season. So the forecast and the predictions, Pirates are fighting for their first title in over a decade. The pressure to match Sundowns' result is immense. Amazulu are playing with house money. They have already exceeded expectations and will be fearless. Predictions. My prediction, I'm predicting a 2-0 victory for Orlando Pirates. What are your predictions, guys? Go to your comment section, guys, and give me your own predictions, guys. Thank you, guys, for tuning in. My name is Tebos Kosana. The name of the platform is Mzansi Total Football. Thank you very much.